Hello, I am Dr. Manu from Ambath Dental Center. Today we will discuss the fracture of the tooth. You can see this OPG. The patient complains with a fracture of the incisor edge. Incisor edge means if you have a tooth, this portion is called incisor edge. It is broken due to any aggressive forces like biting the apple, nuts. Sometimes it happens. So, what is the treatment of this type of cases? In the first go, we will see if there is any pain or sensitivity. If it is highly sensitive or painful, then we have to go for the root canal treatment, and after that we have to put a crown over that. The second treatment choice is if pain is there is no pain or the sensitivity is a little bit, then we can build this area with a composites. Thank you.